Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a product from Icepure, Icepure Pro. These are air filters for your car. My God, for your refrigerator. These are air filters for your refrigerator, for Kenmore, for you name it. That's Kenmore Elite. That's what this says here. On this one, LG. Different ones have cross compatibility, so check out their site. Check out the cross. Make sure you have the right model and all that stuff. This is a pack of 3. This is the AF004. This is what it is. I change these every 6 months or so. And how they come is they come in a box of 3. Let me just show you one. These are our charcoal activated filters. I want you to see what they look like. The charcoal activated filters helps with VOCs. It says right here in the back, non-weaving cloth, which is nice. Remove big impurities, which is important. Activated carbon filter, like we said. Good absorption ability to odor, smoke, and VOC. Activated carbon sponge. Now, this is super important, guys, because a lot of times, a lot of things you're buying has all kinds of VOCs in it. Maybe you don't know about it, and this helps remove it inside the refrigerator. So definitely change these, I would say, every 6 months. This is how they come. They're small. They just slide in and slide out. Super easy to do. Anybody can do it. So I'm definitely going to recommend this. Icepure has been around for quite a while. I love their quality. I love their water filters. I love this air filter and all their products when it comes to the building. It's exactly like the manufacturer. They build high quality items. So go ahead and pick this up. It's small, compact. You can see it's got the little windows. It's super easy, and you'll know when it's time to change it. You can tell, but give yourself a schedule every 6 months. Pop a new water filter in, pop in a new air filter, and you're good to go. That's what I have for you guys. Just a quick video, information video to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you. If something like this might be good for you, I recommend these because I use them myself. The last 10 years I've been using these things, and I just think it's important to educate the people who watch my channel or shop with me or want to learn that the quality is just as good or even better than the original manufacturer. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Definitely appreciate your time as always to watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and pick these up. There'll be a link down below. Of course, there's an affiliate link. I do get a small commission. Cost you nothing, and I hope it helps you make a decision about these types of items. Appreciate it as always. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.